Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is Nadir. If a highly forgetful person loses his phone, his wallet, and then his car keys in a separate instances all in one day, you could say that he has reached an organizational nadir. Nadir means the worst moment of a particular situation. It is the worst moment or moment of the least hope and least achievement. When you feel much disappointed, it is the lowest moment of a situation. For example, the nadir of his career, the opposite of nadir is zenith. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.